Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about SiteBuilder.com. SiteBuilder is a fantastic tool for building websites without any coding knowledge. It provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for everyone to create a personal-looking site. With a wide range of templates and customizable features, SiteBuilder allows you to design a website that suits your need and style. And one of the best aspects of SiteBuilder is its simplicity. The drag and drop functionality enables you to effortlessly add and arrange elements on your site, such as text, images, videos, and forms. You can customize fonts, colors, layout, and make your website visual appealing and unique. So, how to create an account? So, if you don't have an account, you sign up and wait. So if I click sign up, they will be directing me to web.com. Let's continue to log in with Google and they will tell us that you don't have an account. You give it authorization and now you are signing up with your Google account. So let's bring your website live. You can find a new domain here. You can get a domain and for a reasonable price. So we have some subscriptions: Pro, Premium, the e-commerce. The Pro is okay. There is not much difference between all of them, but only in the first month. So it's 60% off, I think, for the first month or the first year. Then it will be a big price here. So let's choose the Pro. Select terms for your plan. So if it's monthly, you will pay $9.18. If it's paid yearly, you will pay $8.78. And if you pay monthly for 2 years, if you had a contract for 2 years, you will pay $7.58. So payment methods are PayPal and credit card. So credit card, you can enter it here, but the PayPal account, it will last till you confirm the purchase. They will direct you to PayPal, your PayPal account. So you fill up here with the billing address, your name, your last name, the company name, the address, the city, the postal code, the country, the state, and your phone number or the business number. So this is the plan for 24 months. You see the variation if you choose here. Monthly, the total for this month will be $9.80. And if you choose this, it will be $181. If you pay it yearly, it will be $100.05. And the discount is all that matters. So now you click on confirm purchase and get your website ready. Now the next part will be the design of your website. And SiteBuilder has also and offers a variety of features to enhance your website functionality. You can easily integrate social media, widgets, e-commerce tools, and contact forms to engage with your audience and promote your products or services. Additionally, SiteBuilder ensures that your site is responsive, meaning it will look great on all devices, including smartphones and tablets. So you will need to complete this, create new perfect website. So you can get a free domain. You need new names, start marketing today. So those are the next steps you should follow to be in time. Here we have the booking information. If you sell a service on your website, here we have the domains. Like I said, with the subscription you will get a free domain. Gain credibility online with custom domain, something.com.net or anything. So here we have the emails. Give your business a customized email. The best place to make things happen is Google. We have the marketing hub, the marketing calendar, set your schedule, campaign ideas, blogs, social posters, calendar, and others. We have creative mails like automation and email settings, contact CRM, merch market. We have the logo builder. You will need a logo for your website. The QR code maker, so you can publish your QR code on things online so people get curious and scan it and they find your website. That's a good way. Here we have the app market. So another advantage of SiteBuilder is its reliable hosting and security. You don't have to worry about finding a separate hosting providers or managing technical aspects. The SiteBuilder takes care of all these aspects, providing a secure and stable hosting environments for your website. While SiteBuilder is a powerful tool, it does have some limitations. The customization options may not be extended as those available with those advanced platforms, and the template selection might not be as vast. However, for users who want straightforward and user-friendly website and build experience, so SiteBuilder is an excellent choice. So those are some apps recommended for your business. We have e-commerce store, you can add it to your website, website statistics, priority support, and other apps depending on your need. So here we have the account settings, your account. So here we have the details. You need a phone number, you can edit details, change your name, change everything, the plans, and the invoice. So in conclusion, SiteBuilder is a user-friendly website building platform that allows anyone to create professional-looking sites without coding knowledge. Its simplicity, customizable features, and reliable hosting makes it a great option for individuals or small businesses looking to establish an online presence. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.